Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It is nice and sunny outside, but it is so cold. I'm ready for spring, and this is a perfect recipe to bring that spring feeling indoors. Okay, we are going to make one of my favorite meals, especially when I'm wanting something light, and this makes a perfect lunch as well. The leftovers are always great. This is what I call a chicken BLT pasta salad. Now, I'm only going to use one of these. If you're cooking for like a potluck or a crowd, you can definitely double it. But I'm only going to use one because one tends to do it well for us. I'm trying to remember if I do two. I'm pretty sure I only do one. So, what you're going to need is one packet of the Suddenly Salad Classic Pasta Salad, some Italian Caesar salad dressing mix, the dry mix, some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. This 3 cheese garlic knots is for on the side. Lettuce, tomato, red onion, black pepper, some garlic salt, some bacon pieces. Colby Jack, I will not use this whole 8-ounce pack, probably 2/3 to half of it. I'm not using this whole red onion either. I'm going to walk you through it, and then you'll just see me mixing it together. What you're going to do is you're going to put this chicken on a foil-lined baking dish, and then you're going to sprinkle this Italian seasoning over it. Cook it in 375-degree oven for approximately 25 to 35 minutes until the chicken is cooked and browned and looks delicious. While that is cooking, you're also going to boil and prepare this Suddenly salad exactly like the directions say. You're going to cut up 1 tomato, you're going to dice 1 tomato, you're going to cut up some lettuce, because you're basically doing a BLT chicken pasta salad. So your lettuce, your tomato, and your bacon pieces, that's your BLT part, obviously. While that's still all cooking and you're cutting up your veggies, you're probably going to put about, I don't know, maybe half of this purple onion, dice it, because it's going to all go in there. You're going to cube this up into small cubes. It is perfect left just like that. I have this out in case you want to give it a little bit more of a little bit more liquid. Sometimes I add it, sometimes I don't. And that's it. Mix it all together in one great big bowl. Cook up your garlic knots, and you have dinner on the table likely in about 35 to 45 minutes at the most. It's very quick, it's very light. You can grill that chicken. I'm just going to toss mine into the oven. Excuse me. It's very simple. tell you I like to serve this with croutons.